With new ways to work, play, watch, chat, capture, and express yourself, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G and Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G let you do more and make a statement. All thanks to the power of T-Mobile's 5G network. Hey guys, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the new Samsung Foldables. We're inside of our tech innovation space called 5G and Me, and it's all about showcasing how amazing T-Mobile's 5G network is. I've brought along some friends from T-Mobile who are going to experience these foldables for the very first time. So I guess the only question is, are you a flip or a fold person? Let's dive in and figure it out. The flip and the fold let you flex your way. With its compact design, the Z Flip fits nicely into small spaces. And the cover screen lets you check your notifications at a glance. Then just flip it open to experience that beautiful, flexible screen. And with the Z Fold's form factor, you can carry it like a normal phone, then quickly expand into a tablet-like experience. The Fold's immersive and brilliant display is perfect for playing the latest games or watching your favorite Netflix shows. And the Z Flip gives you a truly widescreen experience. They both run on T-Mobile, America's largest, fastest, most reliable network, according to Umlaut. The Flip and the Fold let you go hands-free, so you can do something like this, or this, or this, and this, or whatever this is. I love hands-free, great for watching your favorite YouTuber. And if you're a creator, the Flip and the Fold are great for capturing photos and videos hands-free. Looking good, guys. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G comes with two main cameras and a front-facing camera that's perfect for those hands-free selfies. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G has Samsung's first ever under-display camera, so the lens appears when you need it and disappears when you don't. You have 3 lenses on the back, giving you plenty of options. And with Director's View, you'll choose your shots in real time. Now the great part about both the Flip and the Fold is they have cover screen preview, so the person you're filming can see how they look right in the shot. Cheese! Both the Z Flip and the Z Fold charge wirelessly, keeping you powered up for whatever the day brings. With both foldables powered by Snapdragon processors, you can work less and do more. On the Z Flip 3, you can launch 2 apps at the same time with split screen view. And with the Z Fold 3, you'll get more done with up to 3 active windows. For you Note fans, the Z Fold 3 is the first Fold ever to be compatible with Samsung's S Pen. And when it comes to video calls, both the Flip and the Fold stand on their own. And because life happens, they're water resistant. Oops. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G comes in 3 colors. And the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G is available in 4 colors. And they come in these cool boxes. Inside you'll find your brand new foldable and some other stuff. Nice. So now you've seen all of their great features. So the only question is, are you a flip or a fold? Flip, fold, flip, fold. Flip, flip, fold. Check out these awesome new foldables at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at T-Mobile.com. And drop a comment below and let me know if you're a flip or a fold. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See ya.